Hey guys, it's Dr. West, and we are talking about some things you can do to strengthen your immune system to just kind of make you healthier during this time. One thing that's proven to be really beneficial for gut health is bone broth. So we know that most of your immune system is in your gut. That's why those are the things that we want to focus on. So bone broth, you can make it yourself. I will post a recipe in the comments that I use. You can make it from fish, beef, chicken, pretty much anything. Any meat, bone. And you can also buy it. So you can buy it. We get some at Sam's sometimes. You can buy it in the carton. It's like a 6-pack of organic bone broth for like $9. Usually in the store it's like $3 or $4 a carton for a single carton for organic. You want to make sure that you get broth, like bone broth, and not stock. The bone broth has the nutrients from the bone in it, and that's where all of the nutrients are. It's also good for like a protein that you can put in certain recipes. You can sip on it, drink it hot, use it in your stews, things like that. You can also buy bone broth powder. We get ours from Ancient Nutrition from Dr. Josh Ack. So a couple of different options. You can sip on it a couple of times a day, like my last post about things being hot. That's one of those things you want to be hot. It's good for gut health if you're not feeling good, just to boost immunity. Lots of different reasons to drink it, but it's something that we try to make sure and have every day. So I'll put the recipe for the homemade down below. You can buy the organic in the carton at the store. And you can even buy it in the freezer section of the grocery store. So that's another thing that you can do to kind of boost gut health and immune health during this time.